Hello students, so I'm again here in front of you with the new topic on mark my words. इसमें से बहुत सारे questions पूछे जाएंगे, right? So नीति आयोग it is. The full form of नीति is National Institute for Transforming India. So learn it. Then on 15th August 2014, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced about this new institution and in place of Planning Commission, and it was formed on 1st January 2015. I think it's very easy to learn क्योंकि it is 1st January, right? Niti Aayog was constituted in place of Planning Commission. Let me explain you one thing. There are two models on which economy of every country is being formed. Socialist model and capitalist model. So earlier, as we were influenced from socialism, so Planning Commission was in favor of that model. But as we have changed our policy, we have introduced new policy LPG, liberalization, privatization and globalization, and we all are living in globalization age. So approximate all countries are following this new model that is based on capitalist model, you may say. So that's why this shift has been done. And what is the objective of this shift? Providing technical and necessary advice. Each and every term has its meaning. Technical, related to technology. Necessary, whatsoever is due and must. Advice to the union government regarding policy making, means it will give its policy or whatsoever it feels like कि ये होना चाहिए. It's a kind of thinking. तो पूरा इनके बारे में यूनियन गवर्नमेंट को पूरा ये सोच के बताएंगे. Of center and state level, because now we have changed this model. States are getting due place in it. Now chairman, who is the chairman? Prime Minister, whosoever will be, जो भी Prime Minister current उस time होगा will be the chairman of Niti Aayog. Vice chairman appointed by Prime Minister. First vice chairman Mr. Arvind Pangaria, and current vice chairman Dr. Rajiv Kumar. You need to learn it. Now a few terms which are being used here and having specific meaning. It's called think tank of union government. Means सारा कुछ जो भी सोचा जाएगा वो यही सोचा जाएगा, right? Then for what? किस चीज पे सोचा जाएगा? National security issues, economic strategy, then long-term policy, and to harmonize relations between state and center. Actually, Planning Commission was the institution which was coming, which its policy was from top to bottom, right? Means ऊपर से decide होगा, will be executed at bottom. But here it has been changed. Now bottom up approach. Bottom up approach means discussions will be held at bottom level. They will suggest, and on those suggestions things will be decided. So equal participation of all the states. That's why special status is not being considered here. Cooperative federalism means here state and center will work together. Platform for resolving matters means all the states will also be here, chief ministers will also be here. That's why they will be having communication on different issues, because it's not possible कि आप अलग से कहीं बैठे सभी चीफ मिनिस्टर या बात करें. तो it will provide them a place where they can meet and discuss regarding interdepartmental, अलग-अलग departments के issues as well as different sectors of economy. Then composition, Prime Minister chairman, Vice chairman will be there, Chief Executive Officer who will also be nominated by Prime Minister. Full term time members will also be there जो पूरा time वही काम करेंगे. पार्ट टाइम एक्सपर्ट्स रिलेटेड टू द मैटर कि अगर टेक्नोलॉजी से रिलेटेड है तो उसी के एक्सपर्ट्स को बुलाया जाएगा. एक्स ऑफिसो मिनिस्टर्स और लीडर्स जिनको इसके बारे में इंटरेस्ट है या नॉलेज है, एंड स्पेशल इनवाइटीज मीन्स कुछ जो इश्यूज डिस्कस होंगे उनके रिगार्डिंग अगर इनको लगता है कि किसी को इनवाइट करने की ज़रूरत है तो वो इनविटेशन के बेसिस पे यहाँ आएंगे. Then it has two councils also. Number one, governing, in which chief ministers of states and administrators of union territories will be there. तो means सभी जो states के representatives हैं will also be there. Then regional councils at regional level, like north eastern, ठीक है, तो उनका अपना region है, उनके इंटरेस्ट जो साउथ के साथ नहीं मिल सकते, तो एक regional council है where all the regional, all those states who belong to one region will be there. So I hope it's enough for this new introduction, because in your syllabus they have tried to form it. तो मैंने वहीं से basically लिया है. But one thing I want to tell you, if the question comes related to objectives or functions or features, तो आप जो भी पॉइंट्स हमने यहाँ पे डिस्कस किए हैं इसको आप इजी लैंग्वेज में लिख के उसमें कन्वर्ट करके आंसर दे सकते हैं. मीन्स देयर विल नॉट बी इवन आई थिंक अ सिंगल क्वेश्चन जो इस कंटेंट से बाहर होगा, बट यू नीड टू बी स्मार्ट इन आंसरिंग, राइट. रीजन इज यहाँ जो भी हमने टर्म्स यूज की हैं, थिंक टैंक, ये वाली जो टर्म्स हैं, ऑल दीज टर्म्स विल हेल्प यू टू राइट डाउन फंक्शंस, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, पॉलिसी और फीचर्स. जो भी क्वेश्चन आएगा इन्हीं में से आएगा, बट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इट स्मार्टली, राइट. आई होप यू विल डू इट. सो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.